Hi everyone and welcome back to Clean Up with Kelly. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a cook and clean with me after dark. I'm going to be making these really delicious pizza muffins. They are so easy, so let's get started. So here are all the ingredients that you'll need. It is a very simple dish. Some Italian seasoning, some marinara sauce of your choice, and then I have turkey pepperoni. You can use regular pepperoni if you want, and then some cheese. I'm just making it with this rustic cut cheese, and then some English muffins. These are 100-calorie muffin, so that's for the entire muffin, and some tin foil and a baking sheet, and that's it. You're then going to preheat the oven to 350 and you're ready to go. First thing I'm going to do is slice the English muffins and then just lay them on the cookie sheet. You will climb up high and look through the clouds. The next thing I'm going to do is take a tablespoon and then just scoop as much sauce as I want onto the muffins. I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. Don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me. After that, I'm going to sprinkle some Italian seasoning. I think it makes it taste more like a pizza. And then I'm going to put some of the cheese on top. And you can be totally creative with the toppings here. We just like simple pepperoni, but you can do mushrooms, sausage, whatever you want. And then next I'm just going to put the turkey pepperonis on. Again, you can do whatever topping you want. Since I have my muffins all ready, I'm going to put it into the oven, and you can cook it from 20 to 30 minutes, and it depends on your preference. So if you like it a little bit more crispy and toastier, then 30 minutes will definitely do it. Just keep checking it after 20 minutes. Anyone else snack while they're cooking? Sometimes. So much watermelon. It's so good right now. It's been like 100 degrees. And my daughter and I have been eating these all day. Okay, my timer is off and here they are out of the oven. So good. They're like sliding off. The cheese is melted and the pepperonis are nice and crispy. And then I'm gonna have 2 of them, and I like to add a little bit more Italian seasoning on top. So now that everyone is asleep and we all hung out and had dinner, it's time to clean the kitchen. So I'm going to show you what it looks like right now. I'm going to put on some relaxing music for you to listen to and watch me clean up after dinner. I will talk to you guys after everything's cleaned up. I got you, and you got me too. You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away. Someday, someday. I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh.
got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of time. And you, I got you. You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me. I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too.
I don't know where she came from. Kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees. And when she's gone I miss her so. I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about. Oh, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. Upside down, I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night with her, bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.
I lose my breath whenever I see you.
So the kitchen is back to where it should be. I really hope that this video was relaxing and motivating for you. And let me know if you try the pizza recipe in the comments. I love to know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're new, I hope you hit the red subscribe button and tap the bell. That way you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.
World of fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old.